Toyota's record global sales in H1 2025. Hybrid demand beats Trump tariffs. In a remarkable turn of events, Toyota has achieved unprecedented global sales figures in the first half of 2025, showcasing the resilience of the automotive giant amidst the challenges posed by US President Donald Trump's tariffs on imported vehicles. This surge in sales can largely be attributed to the robust demand for hybrid vehicles in key markets, which effectively counterbalanced the adverse effects of the tariffs. According to the company's announcement on Wednesday, Toyota's total global sales, which also include figures from its subsidiaries Daihatsu and Hino, interestingly, the early months of the year saw a notable spike in sales as customers rushed to make purchases before the anticipated implementation of Trump's proposed 25% tariff on car imports. This last-minute buying frenzy highlights how external economic factors can significantly influence consumer behavior and market dynamics. But here's where it gets controversial. While Toyota celebrates its record sales, the implications of these tariffs on the broader automotive industry and consumer prices remain a hot topic of debate. Are these tariffs truly beneficial for American consumers, or do they ultimately lead to higher costs and fewer choices? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you agree with the strategies employed by Toyota, or do you think the tariffs will have long-term negative effects on the industry? Toyota's record-breaking sales production in 2025. Inside the numbers. Breaking. Toyota has just rewritten the record books for global production and sales through the first half of the year. Across January to June, the world's largest automaker saw its global sales surge by 5.5% compared to the same period last year, topping 5.1 million vehicles. And this is the part most people miss. Nearly 43% of those cars were hybrids, underscoring Toyota's continued mastery of blending electric and combustion technologies. Production numbers tell the same story. Toyota rolled out around 4.9 million vehicles worldwide during those 6 months, a 5.8% increase from a year earlier. In June alone, global sales climbed 1.7% to 867,906 units, while production jumped an even more impressive 7.4% to 854,565 cars. These figures include its luxury Lexus lineup, which continues to bolster Toyota's premium footprint. Strong demand in North America, Japan, and China has fueled this growth, proving that consumers still crave reliable, fuel-efficient rides as they navigate shifting fuel prices and tightening emissions rules. But here's where it gets controversial. Some industry watchers argue that Toyota's heavy hybrid focus may leave it playing catch-up in the pure electric vehicle race. Is prioritizing hybrids a smart interim strategy or a risky long-term bet? For newcomers, year-on-year growth simply compares performance to the same period last year. So a 5.5% jump means Toyota sold 5.5% more vehicles than it did from January to June 2023. Hybrid vehicles combine a conventional engine with an electric motor, boosting fuel economy and reducing emissions without relying entirely on charging infrastructure. Toyota's half-year triumph raises big questions. Can its hybrid-led approach keep driving momentum as rivals double down on battery electric cars? Are consumers truly ready to embrace hybrids over full EVs? Share your thoughts below. Do you agree with Toyota's strategy? Or is it time to fully commit to all electric?